so bad at acting. So bad. Okay, no, seriously, let's go to the workshop. Got a little project of my own reason. I'm sure this actually does work though, so let's just Oh man. Your boy's up. Control 1. I've only gone and got a job. I'm so happy. Someone asked me to go and do a job for them. It's a big contract actually. It's a big job. I've got to build some planter boxes. You got to start somewhere. You know, you can't turn down work in these times, I guess. So it's something. Another day, another dollar. All that being said, I am just looking at the job, so I am jumping massively ahead, saying that I've got the job. I need to go pick up some stuff from Screwfix though. So, just gonna make our way down to the workshop because all my tools are there. For reasons being, I tried to film a video yesterday. I was making a new toolbox and it didn't go too well. Roll the clip. Bollocks! Big bollocks! You sausage! Big, voluptuous sausage. I might have made a boo-boo. What I'd done is I'd cut the long side with the long side of both sheets. Meaning when it comes in together, I have a really tall toolbox. It was meant to be like this. However, sausage over here, me, has mited the wrong side. Yeah. So I've literally just got to go down there, pick up my tape measure, and we hopefully are ready to go. We'll carry on making the toolbox, but I think I'm just going to shove things in it, like my loose stuff like sandpaper, fillers, etc, etc. There's nothing too fancy. Ah, you've fallen! No! Oh God! I'm panicking. Roll the other clip. Fast forward. Track teleport. Do something, please. So I'm in the workshop now. As you can see, I like to say that the way all your tools are laid out reflects how your mind and your brain was at the time. So if we just step into that empty void of my brain, I'll show you what I was experiencing at the time. There are tools absolutely everywhere. I never work like this. From Screwfix, I got two little tool bits. I always run out of these. I always buy the yeah, the Screwfix ones, the Embora, whatever they are. I always get them and I always manage to burn them out or the teeth come off. So I bought some Bosch ones ages ago and they were really good. So I thought I'm going to try the DeWalt one out, pretty much. Same again, I used the Bosch ones, these, and they were really good. And I don't have any money at the minute, so these were a lot cheaper, but they're made by DeWalt. So again, I want to see how these play out really. Trusty Bosch blades, planer, double-sided, and obviously in my opinion, the best circular saw blades you can actually possibly get. I have yet to find any that are as good as these. Plus they make your stuff look really cool because they're red. I've gone for the 165mm, the two different blades, came in a pack, it's about 30 quid. I've got the, oh, is that the rip cutting blade? I have no idea. So basically, runs for my plunge saw, so I need to change that right now. Yeah, it's still sharp, but I mean, if you look there, so all the teeth are meant to be, you know, nice and pointy. I've got a break here. I don't know if you can see it. There's a break there. I've got a break here. That's 2. They're all pretty clogged up, so they're not that sharp. So they need to get sharpened. So I usually get these sent off to get sharpened, really. It's in a little place that my mate actually recommended to me because he does a lot of work in the area of Rottenstall. It's called Fletcher's. It's just like a little family-run business, I think, and you know they're very good. They're very good. So yeah, now I've got the. Need to change this bad boy. So the blade. That's obviously where they were from. Fletcher's there. Nice little top tip for when you're tightening. When you're doing your blades and everything, never over tighten the bolt, the nut. Never over tighten it. The reason why you never over tighten it is because have you ever found it weird when it's when you're putting the screw in, when you're putting the bolt in, the nut in, you've got to tighten it the other way around because it's usually lefty loosey, righty tighty. But on this way around, it's lefty tighty, righty loosey. And it's because when the blade's cutting in, it tightens the nut up. That's why I don't over tighten it. Oh yeah, they are knackered. they're bad.
Are you talking to yourself then?
I'm talking to the camera.
Alright.
Another top tip for when you're doing planer blades is when you're tightening them, never tighten one really tight, then the other really tight, then the other really tight, because there's a reason that I can't remember. But you just got to tighten them all slightly individually. I think it's because it might snap the actual blade, which is what happened here. Now I've only decided to put new blades in it now because I have a few actual jobs coming up. One's on the ropes at the minute, and that is building a tree house. They call it a tree house, but it's not a tree house. It's pretty much a shed next to a tree. But it's a 2-story shed, and it could be pretty much a tree house. And also, I actually do have a job coming up because I've ordered the materials for it and I've got the all go for it. And that is building a, what can we call it? An access ramp for my best mate's grandparents because they are struggling to get outside. So we're building a access ramp. I'm pretty sure he'll be watching this now, so why not? Anyway, it's getting on to, I think it's getting on to 10 o'clock. Yeah, it's 20 to 10. I said I'd look at the job at 10. What a shot. Which I think she was out this morning doing something. I'm gonna set my thumbnail now. So, I've just arrived at the job. I'm not going to take it with me because it's quite rude. So in my disorganisation of not working and being disorganised, I don't have... Oh, I don't even have a pencil. Now I do. I don't have my notepad. So I'm going to use the joiner's method, which is a piece of wood. Right. I'll be back in a minute. Okay, so that was a success. All I needed was those measurements, and then we can make it up as we go along. Let's leave. Let's leave. I hope I got the right house because the woman's actually out still. But I just messaged her saying, you know, but she said that you're okay to go around. So it was a bit strange that you look like you're just going around measuring a window, going, "Can I break in here?" Yeah, it's a good size window. It always looks really ominous. Safety first, by the way. So I'm sorry if it wasn't the best of videos. It was just a bit of a nonchalant day. It's nothing really went on at all. I've got a really horrible spot on my lip and it's really hurting. However, the box, I know I didn't do a video on the box and I'm not doing a video on the box, but I'll show you what it looks like. Just take all this out. So, pretty much, it's holding So I've pretty much cut out all the back of that, all the front of that, gave it a quick sand. I rushed it a lot, as you can tell. It's more of, I'm not going to get it out of the van, it's more just for sitting in, just holding all my miscellaneous stuff. I've got a bit of glue in there, and stuff like that. Got my mask, my RZ mask, the defenders, cool, just so it doesn't clog up my tool bag, which has my main glue in, spray, glue, all my snips, all that good stuff in. And then I've got my, well, it's going to be a bit difficult. So boat just sits in there with my amazing, beautiful S-wing hammer. I think it's 14 ounce that, but it feels like it can drive a 6-inch nail in with one hit. It's brilliant, though. Well, the next video will be those planters. We'll try and make them look really nice. Got to paint them and everything. Anyway, nice one. See you later, people. Stay safe, I guess.